Euro US dollar this week has risen in value after the prices formed this bullish pin bar. On the Friday, the price continued to rise in value. We can see that, and in the next 3 days, the prices reached this area of resistance 1.16636, and from there, the price could not manage to go further up. The price has returned back down. We can see on a Thursday, and the Friday has tried to move the price up again, reaching high price levels, but it has closed in between this area of resistance and this area of support 1.16214. Weekly time frame currently shows us it is a bullish week, which means a great information for the bulls, which means there is still buying pressure pushing the price up. So this could be also a continuation of this bullish momentum that has started around this area of support 1.14821. Now what I can see, the price has closed the weekly time frame above this area of resistance around 1.16, which is a very important, which opens currently the target around this area here around 1.17. So 1.17 is the target weighted price, and that is very close to this area here, and especially this one here where these wicks are touching around 1.172 a price level. So this is the target for the next week, which I'm expecting that the price will reach after making a bullish breakout on the daily time frame about 1.16636. So this is the first level that the price needs to make a bullish breakout. What I can see currently, the price is reversing from this downtrend, currently trying to make a bullish trend, but we need to see the price reaching higher price levels above this area of resistance. When it happens, will it be on a Monday, Tuesday? This will open for the price to reach higher price levels. So this is something that I am currently expecting. So I'm still bullish on the Euro US dollar, waiting for a clean breakout after the market makes a move, then I follow the market. Feel free to check the chat room, link will be in the comments, so feel free to go there and join. It's free. If you would like to receive the daily updates about any symbols for trading, feel free also to ask any questions. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.